The leader of opposition, Dr. Mukul Sangma, while addressing the media during the visit of Mamata Banerjee on Monday, has said they are extremely enthusiastic to receive the chairperson of the TMC and look forward to addressing the executive workers of the party who come from every nook and corner of the state. While George P. Lingdor said that the people have had enough of the present government that keeps promising for the past 5 years. Therefore, the TMC is coming with a specific kind of an outlay, a plan and strategy that will be beneficial for the people, he added.
It will be beneficial for the people and it will be a promise that
addressing our executive, rather the leaders coming from every nook and corner of the state, representing the grassroots leaders. So we are extremely enthusiastic about this and will be welcoming her.
some way of governance we have seen, encroaching borders, killing people, so we don't want that kind of a governance. Bengal has stood fast against the might of the BJP, and that is what we are here for, to stop the BJP from trampling upon the rights of the citizens, upon the minorities and upon the Christians. So therefore we're coming with a specific kind of an outlay, a plan and a strategy that will be beneficial for the people, and it will be a promise that we as leaders and a party under the leadership of Ms. Mamata Banerjee will be unfolding tomorrow and telling the people of the state where we want to take them forward.
The death anniversary